Honor Magic 6 Pro just launched yesterday. Fast refresh rate LTPO OLED display, flexible processor, superb in design, fast charging and many more. Today I'm gonna show you unboxing and first impression of the Honor Magic 6 Pro, a flagship phone. Hey guys, Maiky from Tech Maiky. Please consider subscribing, turning on the notification by hitting that bell icon for more amazing tech video. Let's start with the unboxing of the Honor Magic 6 Pro. The phone comes with a flagship Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor. Inside you will find a clear case, a SIM ejector tool, a 100-watt power adapter with Type A output. There are also a data cable included. After removing the plastic wrap from the phone, let's talk about the design and build. The first impression of the phone gives off a high-end and premium feel. Looking at the camera module, it has an outer square shape with a rounded inner part. There are two noticeable changes on the back of the phone. The first change is the camera module, which is now combination of the square and the circular shape. The design is quite eye-catching, featuring 3 camera lenses. The top lens is larger in size while the bottom ones are smaller. The periscope lens is positioned at the top of the module. The back of the phone is made of vegan leather, providing a textured pattern that gives a nice feel to the touch. The phone comes in a green color, and around the camera module there are a gold colored bezel that matches the phone's color. The frame of the phone is also made of metal. However, it's worth noting that the phone is a bit thicker, measuring 8.9mm. This leather variant weighs around 225 grams. Looking at the front, you will notice relatively large arc. The phone has a really nice feel to it, especially because it features a quad curved display. This means that even the top and the bottom edges are curved. The phone boasts a 6.8-inch LTPO OLED display with a variable refresh rate ranging from 1 Hz to 120 Hz. According to the company, the display can reach a peak brightness level of up to 5000 nits, making it the brightest phone display in the world. For selfie, there is a dual lens cutout with the 50-megapixel camera and the time of flight 3D camera, giving it a dynamic island-like appearance. I will give you a detailed review video that I will be uploading tomorrow. I will go deeper into the Honor Magic 6 Pro. For now, in this video, I will focus on the unboxing and my initial impressions. Talking about the camera, the rear setup included the primary 50-megapixel camera with optical image stabilization. There is also a unique feature, a secondary 180-megapixel periscope camera, which is the largest pixel size ever seen in the periscope lens. Additionally, the phone features a third 50-megapixel ultra-wide camera. I will be showing the camera samples in the detailed review video, so make sure to stay connected with our channel. Now, talking about the battery, the Honor Magic 6 Pro is equipped with the massive 5600 mAh battery. It supports 80-watt wired charging and 66-watt wireless charging. The starting price in China is around 5699 Chinese yuan, which is roughly around 630 pound in the UK. So what do you guys think about it? Tell us your thought in the comment section below. If you have any questions, also give this video a thumbs up and make sure to share it with your friends. Lastly, subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech videos. We'll be signing off. Thanks for watching. Have a great day and keep smiling, and I will see you in the next one.